Hello again, my friends. Today is 12/4/2021, and this is day 8 of the Odin Project vlogs. Today, um, today I worked on working with text and lists, and pretty kept pretty within the 1 hour rule. Today was kind of light, and we'll go into it now. We will hit the text editor today. Um, VSCode and do some looking around. First, I'll take you through the modules. So, working with text. So this goes over basically in a nutshell. It goes over body elements, HTML elements. Okay, so yesterday we went over the boilerplate, and so this is kind of an extension of the boilerplate. This is called Lorem Ipsum code right here. And it's basically just, what I understand is it's basically just junk fake text in order to just use something that you can see in a browser to see if it looks good and the styling's correct in the way you want it. But anyway, it talks about how that goes in the body. It talks about paragraph elements, p elements, and then it goes into heading elements, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and as you go down the headers, they become less important. So like your number 1 header will be your most important heading that you want to stand out. And when you get down to 6, that's your least one and the one that you want to draw, draw the least amount of attention to. And then there's strong element. Excuse me. This is replaces bold. I learned something here I don't think I was ever using previously when I was learning HTML. I don't think I was using strong correctly. And there's another one we're going to go over in a minute. I'm getting ahead of myself, called EM for emphasis, and I was using B for bold and instead of strong, and I was using I for italics instead of EM for emphasis. There's a strong point I make for that because they talk in the text here about screen readers and stuff for the visually impaired, is that the screen readers will be able to take strong text or strong tags that it sees, and it will it will embolden and make important the thing that's wrapped inside the strong element. So, and the same thing with EM for emphasis. So if you use the B tag or the I tag, they'll work, but their screen reader will not read it because it's simply a cosmetic thing. I didn't know that, at least not that I'm aware of. And so it goes through and says, here's where you'd put the strong tag, and here's where you'd put the the P tag and the strong if you want to put it into a child-parent relationship. And then they talk about the EM element here. Here's your emphasis added. And nesting and indentation. It talks about nesting, about parent-child relationships. Doesn't go into great detail on it, so I will preface this to say when I show you my code, please leave a comment below if I'm misusing my nesting. Excuse me. I am, new at this, so I won't take it as criticism. So if you guys got something valuable to add, please put it in the comments below in this video, and I will read it and take it as under advisement. So here is talking about siblings where they're at the same level. These two P elements are siblings to the parent of body. And commenting your code, it didn't spend much time on that. In fact, the exercises didn't even go over that. But commenting out your code is a very common thing to do. Watch a few assignments, and then we move on. The next lesson is the lists. And this is very short, actually. I got through it in just a few minutes. Actually, the assignment took a little bit longer than the reading. Basically, we're going to do this together tonight. In a moment here, and we're going to create unordered. I'll go through. We'll do each one of these individually, but basically, this is just showing you what an ordered list is. An ordered list basically is a numbered item list, like do this, then do this, then do this, versus an unordered list is just a bulleted list, like a shopping list or something like that, where the order does not matter. It's just a list of things. Sorry, I got a frog in my throat tonight or something. um, so that's the lesson here. So let's hop over to the code editor. Oops, what did I do here? Sorry about that, folks. There you go. Hit the wrong button. So here is the file we were working with yesterday, the index.html file. And this, if this looks familiar, it is. This is the, without this part here anyway, this is the boilerplate file. So I just went ahead and it said to create a new one on that first exercise in working with text. So I just went ahead and just plopped it in here because I figured, hey, why not? It's already open. So I'm going to enlarge this in case you can't see it very well on your end. I made it normal size so the text wouldn't be go off the screen. But anyway, so here we have an H1 element that we created. This is my first web page, and then I put some Lorem Ipsum text in under paragraphs just to make the point. So we have a paragraph here, and I think I zoomed in too much. So we have a P for a paragraph here, and that's encapsulated over here at the end. So this is all one paragraph. And then inside here is strong. So this part here is going to be bolded. And then here's the H2 element, which is a little less strong, or a little less bold, I mean. This is my second heading. And the child inside here is another paragraph element. And it also has an embedded child of EM, or emphasis, and you'll see this on the page when I bring up the your browser here in a moment. And that's emphasis, which is italicized. Here's another third heading, H3, which is even less important, and another child paragraph here. All encapsulated inside the body and the HTML document, or excuse me, body tags and HTML tags. Goodness gracious, having a hard time tonight. Struggle bus. So anyway, so this is what it would look like in the browser. Looks pretty clean here. Of course, there's a lot of learning to do to make this a lot more interactive, make it look better, and change colors and all that. But this is just getting started. So now we're going to head into the second section, the second lesson, and we are going to insert. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. We are going to insert some lists. So the first thing it said was to create an unordered list and of a shopping list. So what we're going to do here is just do it inside the body. Okay, didn't do that. Shouldn't have zoomed in just yet. We're going to go inside the body here, add some space, and then we'll zoom in. And we'll put this at the, again, if my indentation is incorrect, please note that in the comments section below, and I will fix it. Here's an unordered list. Sorry, it doesn't need to be capitalized. And here is going to be a list, and it's going to make a grocery list essentially. So LI is for list, UL is for unordered list. So we're going to create a list item here. And we're going to do carrots. Say I'm going to get carrots tonight. And then we're going to add another one. And we're going to get celery. Again, if my spelling sucks, just deal with it because my spelling does suck. So, and then we're going to do tomatoes. Okay, and then we're going to end bracket or do an ending tag here for the unordered list. The second one was, if I remember right, make an ordered list of things you want to get done during the day. And so we're going to do an OL tag for our ordered list. And LI will be the same thing here for the list item. And we're going to do get dressed. And we're going to do another one of just winging it here. Let's see. Brush teeth. And we'll do one more for go to work. Okay, and then that's we'll close the ordered list. And then the third one it said was to create an unordered list of places that you'd like to visit, cities you'd like to visit. So we're going to do UL again for unordered list. And we're going to do an LI tag, list tag, for, we'll just say Paris. And another one, we'll say Miami. And we'll throw a third one in there and say Chicago. And there's the ending tag, UL tag for unordered list. And then the last one, it said make one for an ordered list for your top 5 games or movies that you like. So we're going to do an ordered list again. And we'll do list item. My favorite is Call of Duty. We'll just put COD for short, just for the sake of speed here. List, and we'll do love it. NBA 2K22 is right now my go-to game on the Xbox One. And we'll do another ordered list, or another list item, excuse me. We'll just say Halo, kind of throwing that one in there. Not a super huge fan, but just to put something in there, because I did say 5. And we'll say Battlefield 4. And we'll do another one. The 5th one will be, I don't know if you guys ever heard this, but I really like, heard of this one, but I like Titanfall. It may not be that big of a game anymore. I played it years and years ago, and it was a lot of fun. So there's my 5. Call of Duty, COD, NBA 2K22, Halo, Battlefield 4, Titanfall. So, if my tags are correct, and ending tags, it looks to be good. Hit Control S to save. And bring up the site. Excuse me. And refresh. And there they are. So there is my first unordered list. My first UL. There's my second ordered list. See how it automatically put 1, 2, 3 in there. That's how the ordered list works. And the unordered list just does the not dots, but bullet points. And then there's another one for the locations, unordered. And there's the last ordered list for the 5 games. So yeah, it looks good. And that's where I stop for tonight, and that will take us to the end of the lesson. So I probably went a little long tonight. Yeah, I went a little long, but it was good to type it out and get you guys to see a little bit of this code in action. So I hope you enjoyed get this back to normal size here. Hope you enjoyed the journey tonight with me and learned a little bit along the ways. Again, please comment below, like and subscribe if you would, and comment below. Am I doing a good job? Is my nesting good? Does this look alright? Am I way off? Open feedback will be appreciated if you want. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.